Hey guys, it's Kel, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to be going out to the bird loft in Amherst, Ohio, and gonna do something really exciting. This is like a complete dream to me, and I'm so excited. I cannot believe this is actually going to be happening, but I figured I'd take you guys along, and I wanted to share with everybody. Also, I couldn't take it. I had to put my extensions back in. But let's get going to the bird loft. I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. So do mine. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. See, they're just normal little poops. Hello, big guys. Hi. How are you? How are you? Look at you. You're so handsome. Or pretty. Either way.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
What are you doing? You like the play stand? You like the play stand? Where are you going? Yeah, you're up at the very top, huh? Is it good? Have fun?
Are you guys glad?
You guys fun. You fun. He's looking like, what are you doing? Big pose. Yeah, that was his big scream right there.
Yeah.
Big pose.
Sorry.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You going at the phone? Hi. Big pose. You gonna pose? Cheers to the new edition of the bird family.
We've done it. Hooray.
In case you didn't catch that in the video, and sorry for that, I'm actually in the restaurant bathroom here. In case you didn't catch that in the video, I finally got one of my dream birds. I got a big bird. I'm so excited. crown Conure, and he or she, they're not DNA tested, will be ready to go home in like 2 to 3 weeks. So I am going to, you know, keep everyone updated. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!